this is where I was gonna paint. Like, usually you can get out on those rocks there, but not today. This might present good opportunities for new views that are seldom seen. Okay, I've settled upon here. It's gonna be great. I'm gonna love it. It's amazing already. I love it. I wanted to do ferns for a while. And I've also wanted to do something sort of like Jeremy Sands, amazing artist who often does like backlit waterfalls or like sunny in the background and then dappled rocks in the foreground. Forgot my, well, I can't find it. I can't find my little cup holder thing. So I've just sort of angled my palette down and put my thinner hair. It's kind of perfect right now. Slicing across like that. And so I feel the temptation to just like rush in, put that down without drawing out my composition. So I'm going to resist. I'm going to be methodical. It's going to be awesome. I'm going to love it. I might change the composition a little bit here. I'm setting this area up to add that sun. Get a good picture of it? Okay. I think the sun is going to be coming and going today, which has me very frustrated these past few paintings. Misery and despair. But it's going to be great today, and I'm going to love it, and everything's going to work out. Okay, here we go. Ooh, that's so beautiful. Thank you. Thank you for this sunlight right here. Thank you very much. I love painting sun. Please remind me how much I love it. Okay, we're gonna get in on this fern action here. Don't get detailed. Don't do it, Jennifer. Stop it. Keep going. Move it. I'm hoping that the sun will come out again. I think so. I can't tell which way the clouds are going, but I'm having a positive attitude today. Yay. Good for me. Oh no, dirty brushes. Get it, dirty brushes. Here we go. Okay. Oh, that's not gonna work. I'm gonna have to go back and make the surrounding area darker. But I can do that afterward. This is a really soft brush. I don't usually use really soft brushes, but I'm trying to get into it a little more. I think, oh no. I was going to say, I think you can make some interesting effects, but not like that. Today, I think, because I'm feeling a little insecure, having bouts of self-doubt. So I think I'm gonna just work from a little piece and just move out so that it's not as overwhelming. And if I don't finish the whole thing, at least I will have a little piece that I can feel proud of instead of a big thing that is unfinished that will just sit and taunt me. Loosen up. Hold it further back. Loosen up, Jennifer. I'm going to try to blend this in a little bit without over blending it or overworking it. Also, I need to give it a wavy feel. It's like so much fun, so many directions. How do you even move? Okay, stop it. It's good from far away, so we're gonna leave it. Time for snacks. No angry babies here. Okay, so I've got that part. I don't think I'm gonna touch that anymore. Now, it is time to move on. I don't know if you can see. Let me change the light here. There we go. This is, the shadow is like, I think pretty soon that whole waterfall is gonna be in shadow. So I wanna get that in there before it leaves, and then I can just work on these rocks at a leisurely pace. This is the place where, I think it was last year, I was like, oh, I have to go to the bathroom. Here's the river. Like, I will face that way so that I can see the trail. No one will see me behind a tree. Only then I stopped and I looked around, like after I was done, and I looked across the river, and there were like these two people sitting on a rock. They got a show. It was what it was. You just gotta do what you gotta do. I'm gonna keep this in the background really cool. Maybe even cooler than that. This is looking bad up there. That's okay. I got this part. I can be proud of this part. Loosen up, lady. Try again. Here we go. Try to get this water, just rough it in. Coming along, it's coming along. Okay, the final step is put this in a little bit. Not too much. Not too much. Just a little. Oh. That did not work. Don't get too detailed. Don't do it, Jennifer. Stop it. Oh, ho, ho. No, that was bad. No biggie, no biggie. See, we're fixing it. It'll be fine. I think that's it. I like the light effect that I got. Anyway, thank you for watching. Oh, let me see. Can we do the line up? Line up. Let's see. No, not really. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye. Waterfall.